Have you ever wondered how fast your DC motor is spinning? In this video, I will show you how to measure the exact RPM of a DC motor using an IR sensor and Arduino. And we will also control the motor speed using a potentiometer. So let's get started. For this project, we need a few simple components. Arduino Uno, L298N motor driver, potentiometer, IR sensor module, 16x2 I2C LCD, jumper wires, breadboard, and TT-DC gear motor. Now let's quickly go through the connection. Connect the motor 1 pin of the L29N motor driver to digital pin 5 on the Arduino Uno, motor 2 pin to digital pin 6 and enable pin to digital pin 9. Make sure that L298N ground pin is connected to ground of the Arduino. Potentiometer is connected to anode pin for speed control. Connect the VCC pin of the IR sensor to 5V, ground to ground, and D0 pin to digital pin 2 on the Arduino Uno. Connect the VCC pin of the I2C LCD to 5V, ground pin to ground, SDA pin to A4, and SCL pin to A5. Now let's understand the code. We use an interrupt to count pulses from the IR sensor. This ensures accurate counting even at high speed. We also use a debounce technique to remove noise from the sensor. To make the RPM stable, we apply a moving average filter, which smooths out fluctuations. And finally, we display the RPM on the LCD. The IR sensor detects the rotation of the motor wheel. In my case, the wheel has 5 blades, so every full rotation generates 5 pulses. The Arduino counts these pulses and calculates RPM. As I increase the speed, the RPM increases. And when I decrease it, the RPM drops. At full speed, I am getting around 610 610 RPM, which is perfect for this TT motor. That's it for today's tutorial. If you found this project helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Arduino and electronics projects. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.